Want to speak real Korean from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at KoreanClass101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Jae-hui. Welcome back to Korean Top Words. Are you enjoying 2018 PyeongChang Winter Olympics? For those who really are interested in this Olympics but not sure how to buy the tickets, we made this lesson for you. In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 words to buy PyeongChang Olympics tickets. Let's begin. 표, ticket. 표, ticket. For sure, you can buy tickets online and also you can buy it at the stadiums in PyeongChang. If you want to buy a ticket in the ticket booth, you just have to say the name of the sport and say 표. For example, ice hockey 표 means tickets for ice hockey. So in a sentence, you can say ice hockey 표 2장 주세요. I'd like 2 tickets for the ice hockey game. Figure skating is one of the very popular winter sports in South Korea, so I believe there should be many Korean people who want to buy the tickets too. So if you want to buy the tickets for the figure skating, say 피겨 스케이팅 표 주세요, which means I'd like a ticket for figure skating and make sure to buy it before all other people. 예약, reservation. 예약, 예약, reservation. This word can be mean for anything, right? Reservation at a restaurant, 식당 예약, and also for sure you can also use it to say 표 예약, reservation for tickets. So in a sentence you can say 인터넷에서 표를 예약했어요. I booked a ticket on the internet. Or if you want to make a reservation in advance, you can also say 예약하고 싶어요. I like to make a reservation. So since reservation or reservation is not that the English word that many people can understand, I think it's better to remember this word if you want to make a reservation or if you already booked your ticket online, so that the other Korean people can understand what you're saying. 예약 is the word to mean reservation. 오늘 경기, today's game. 오늘 경기, 오늘 경기, today's game. 오늘 means today and 경기 means game, like sports competitions. So if you want to buy a ticket for today's game, you can say 오늘 경기표 살 수 있나요? Can I buy tickets for today's game? For sure, you can replace 오늘 with something else like 내일, which means tomorrow, and say 내일 경기표 살 수 있나요? Can I buy tickets for tomorrow's game? In English, like they have a small s, like today's game. So you might want to say 오늘의 game using the 에, the possessive particle, but it sounds more natural to say something without 에. Instead of saying 오늘의 경기, it's better to say 오늘 경기 if you want to mean today's game. 할인, discount. 할인, 할인, discount. If you want to buy tickets with a discounted price, check how old you are. If you are 65 or older, or if you are 18 or younger, you can get 50% discount. So in that case, you can simply show your passport or ID showing your age to get the discount. So if you are in that kind of age group, you can say 할인되나요? Can I get some discounts? 환불, refund. 환불, 환불, refund. In general, the PyeongChang Olympics game tickets are not refundable, but if it is cancelled by the heavy weather or some other issues that is not your fault, you can get a refund. In that case, you can go to a ticket booth and say 환불해 주세요. Please refund. Okay, you just learned 5 words to buy PyeongChang Olympics tickets. I hope you get a chance to buy tickets and enjoy the games. If you have any questions, leave us in a comment. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and visit our website KoreanClass101.com. We'll see you in the next video. 다음 시간에 뵙겠습니다. 안녕히 계세요.